Hello and welcome to the Bull and Bear Invest channel. Today we're looking into Logistics Development Group plc, formerly known as Eddie Stobart Logistics plc. We have already covered Eddie Stobart Logistics plc in a previous video. However, since the name changed on the 10th of February 2021, it's only fair that we redo the presentation with updated information, including updating the company name. So a brief introduction. Logistics Development Group was formerly known as Eddie Stobart Logistics plc. The name change took effect on the 10th of February 2021. The warehousing and transport business will continue to operate with the name of Eddie Stobart, as this name was purchased as part of a £10 million deal. Logistics Development Group has the largest full truckload network in the United Kingdom. Their entire existence is only possible due to a rescue deal of £55 million paid by Douglas Bay Advisors. They bought a 51 claim of the Eddie Stobart Logistics plc, allowing them to pay off a considerable amount of debt and continue trading. Logistics Development Group have a corporate website, and this can be found at ldgplc.com. Logistics Development Group plc is the indirect holding company of the trading businesses Eddie Stobart, iForce, Speedy Freight, Logistic People and the Pallet Network. The name change from Eddie Stobart Logistics was intended to help the company identify as an investment company. We're now going to cover some but not all of the contracts shared between these five. Tesco. Eddie Stobart successfully extended a contract to manage UK distribution centre transport operations for Tesco in July 2016. The renewal of the contract meant that Eddie Stobart continued to run the transport from 7 UK distribution centres for the supermarket giant, as well as 2 centres in the Republic of Ireland. The conditions of the contract were never disclosed. However, we understand that the contract is due to expire this year. Previous contract negotiations began in March prior to the renewal, so we expect to hear an update imminently. Monde Biofuels and Distilled Spirits. The 5-year contract, effective from the 2nd of June 2019, has seen Eddie Stobart deliver logistics support for the LBDS bulk cream yeast business for the UK's distilled spirits industry. Yeast is a key LBDS product, used predominantly in the production of whisky. LBDS will use Eddie Stobart specialist food-grade tankers featuring state-of-the-art temperature-maintaining insulation. The vehicles will also use telematics technology to help distribute bulk cream yeast to many of the major distilleries. Pepsico. Eddie Stobart maintains the contract signed on July 1, 2018, distributing products such as Walker's Crisps for Pepsico. Under this contract, Eddie Stobart will manage the business's ambient transportation operations across England and Wales from Pepsico's existing distribution centres in Birchwood, near Warrington and Leicester. The Unite Union had threatened to start a 3 days' worth of strike action from the 17th of February in an ongoing row over pay for drivers from the Birchwood site. The strike action has since been suspended as talks are ongoing in regards to the drivers' pay. Tarmac. Tarmac awarded Eddie Stobart a 5-year contract to help Tarmac's cement and lime business restructure from a national to a regional transport setup in December 2018. It utilises Eddie Stobart's fleet to help distribute bulk and packed cement to customers in the southeast of England. The new regional model will be rolled out with support of Eddie Stobart and will help Tarmac to provide a localised service with enhanced resilience, flexibility, service, cost and safety for its customers. Cemex Uk. Eddie Stobart won a £15 million 3-year contract with Cemex Uk, the building material supplier that commenced in March 2018. The contract dictated that the logistics business delivered packed cement products from Cemex production sites to its UK-based customers. We are awaiting news to confirm if this contract will be renewed, as this is due to expire in March 2021. W.M. Morrison Supermarkets plc. Eddie Stobart was appointed by W.M. Morrison Supermarkets plc to provide transportation services from 2 distribution centres in conjunction of a 3-year contract that commenced on the 21st of August 2020. The contract is additional to the work that Eddie Stobart currently carries out and will manage all transport planning and deliveries of chilled and ambient groceries from the 2 locations to Morrison's network of supermarkets. Taking a quick look at the share chart, We are only looking from the 10th of February 2021 as this was the date Logistics Development Group was listed on the AIM market. The year low thus far was the 11th of February at 14.2, the year high at 19.75 on the 16th, and then the closing price on Friday at 17.8 on the 19th of February. Finally, Scania won the order from Consortium Purchasing, an operation led by William Stobart, which will provide more than 1,000 of the 2,250 trucks ordered from Scania to Eddie Stobart Logistics. The vehicles will be delivered over the next 2 years and will be supplied on full repair and maintenance contracts. So let's summarise the events that we're expecting in the next few months. We know that Logistics Development Group plc expects to announce its results for the year ending 30th November 2020 before the end of March 2021. We are also expecting the annual general meeting to be held on or about the 25th of May 2021 following the results. Historically, the value of dividends are announced on or just after the release of the end of year results, and these are paid subject to shareholder approval in early June. We're also expecting updates for contract renewals on Cemex Uk due to expire in March 2021 and Tesco's where the contract is understood to expire in March to July 2021. But as the details of the contract were never disclosed, we cannot confirm this. If you found the content of this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Bull & Bear Invest channel. We've also included a referral link to Freetrade in the description of the video below. If you sign up and make a deposit using the referral link below, you can start your portfolio off with a free share courtesy of Freetrade. Remember, your capital is at risk when investing. Share prices can go down as well as up, so only invest what you can afford to lose.